Yo, ha. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. This is gonna be an AGV project update. I think it's the first update I'm making. Right, you can see these two motors calibrated by the joystick. It's a quite simple thing, moving the joystick forward makes the both motors go in the same direction, backward is the backward, left makes one go forward, one go backward. It's the same calibration we do in every single thing, right? It's a really simple code. I'll just explain you simply all it throughout, right? You can see this is the file, code file, importing libraries, setting up the code, using PID system. So yeah, getting the values from the joystick, calibrating them to send it to the motor. We're just making all these values so that they fit the library, right? It's all very simple. And yo everyone, this is the power bus which comes from my DC power supply, Robotics DC power supply. Gain 23 volts at 4 amperes max to max, but it never takes that much. This is the power bus. It powers these two motor drivers, black color motor drivers. This powers them. It does not power the Arduino. It is powered by my computer. And the next thing, see these yellow orange wires, this is the serial bus which communicates the Arduino to the both the drivers, right? This is the AGV project documentation that I had been working on. And yep, we need a chassis to make this all work. So I had a clamp which was really good. It actually fit on the motors. It was really good, and I thought, why not make the AGV chassis using this only, the clamp I have, right? So I opened Fusion 360. I went on to design the clamp model, and then I designed the fittings according to the dimensions, and I got them printed using my Bamboo Lab X1 carbon. And I got this is the clamp, and this is the model. This is the clamp fitting, this is the clamp model duplicate, and this is the another clamp model fitting, right? This is really good, nice quality. Let's check the dimensions out, and yeah, we get this right. This is so nice. I was so happy to see that all my dimensions were perfectly measured, no errors, and it was really nice to see that. And now we have this model. So the two fittings you see, it's going to be sandwich model, and a clamp will come in between those and they'll get screwed up so that it's fit in the place, and then the thing will work, right? Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it. Subscribe, follow, whatever it is, like, and yep, stay tuned and take care.